Top 5 Best Bakkies in 2025. Number 5. Nissan Navara. 2.5-litre diesel with 140 kilowatts and 450 Nm of torque. Smooth ride thanks to rear multi-link suspension. 1.1-ton payload. 3.5-ton towing. 360 degrees camera and lane assist. Number 4. Volkswagen Amarok. 3.0-litre turbo diesel, pushing 184 kilowatts and 600 Nm of torque. 10-speed auto, full-time 4Motion all-wheel drive. Over 1-ton payload, 3.5 tons towing. Number 3. Isuzu D-Max, 2.5-litre or 3.0-litre turbo diesel, up to 140 kilowatts, 450 Nm of torque. 1.1-ton payload, 3.5-ton towing. Number 2. The reliable, built to last, Toyota Hilux. Whether it's the GR Sport or Raider, 150 kilowatts and 500 Nm of torque, 3.5-ton towing, 1-ton payload.